Introduction to chicory and its history. Chicory, a flowering plant belonging to the daisy family, has a rich history that dates back centuries. Native to Europe, this versatile plant has been cultivated for culinary and medicinal purposes since ancient times. With its vibrant blue flowers and bitter leaves, chicory has gained popularity not only for its unique taste, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Understanding the nutritional value of chicory. Chicory is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Additionally, chicory is rich in antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, chicory contains significant amounts of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and calcium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining overall health, supporting immune function, and promoting strong bones and teeth. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Health benefits of chicory, a comprehensive overview. The health benefits of chicory are vast and impressive. One of the key advantages is its ability to support weight management. Chicory contains inulin, a type of fiber that promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, reducing the risk of overeating. Inulin also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in the gut and improving digestive health. Moreover, chicory has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to numerous health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By incorporating chicory into your diet, you can potentially lower the risk of these diseases and improve overall well-being. Chicory as a natural remedy for various health conditions. Throughout history, chicory has been celebrated for its medicinal properties and its use as a natural remedy for various health conditions. Its roots, leaves, and flowers have been traditionally used to treat ailments such as digestive disorders, liver problems, and skin conditions. Research has shown that chicory possesses hepatoprotective properties, meaning it can protect and support the liver. It also exhibits diuretic effects, aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. Additionally, chicory has been used to alleviate symptoms of arthritis and promote joint health. Exploring the medicinal properties of Cichorium intybus. The scientific name of chicory, Cichorium intybus, holds the key to its remarkable medicinal properties. Studies have shown that extracts from chicory possess antimicrobial and antifungal properties, making it effective against various pathogens. Furthermore, chicory exhibits anti-diabetic properties by helping regulate blood sugar levels. This makes it a valuable addition to the diet for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Chicory as a coffee substitute. Pros and cons. As an alternative to traditional coffee, chicory has gained popularity for its unique flavor and potential health benefits. Chicory root can be roasted and ground, producing a beverage that closely resembles coffee. This makes it an excellent option for those looking to reduce their caffeine intake or avoid the stimulating effects of coffee. However, it is important to note that chicory coffee does not contain caffeine and may not provide the same energy boost. Additionally, some individuals may find the taste of chicory coffee to be more bitter compared to regular coffee. It is a matter of personal preference and experimenting with different brewing methods to find the perfect cup. Incorporating chicory into your diet. Delicious recipes and ideas. There are numerous creative ways to incorporate chicory into your diet and enjoy its health benefits. The bitter leaves of chicory can be used in salads, adding a unique flavor and texture. They can also be cooked or sautéed as a side dish or added to soups and stews for added nutritional value. Chicory root can be roasted and ground to create a coffee-like beverage, as mentioned earlier. This can be enjoyed on its own or blended with regular coffee for a milder flavor. Additionally, chicory root can be used as a natural sweetener in baking or as an ingredient in herbal teas. The role of chicory in herbal medicine and alternative treatments. Chicory has long been recognized for its role in herbal medicine and alternative treatments. Its roots and leaves are commonly used in traditional remedies to aid digestion, detoxify the liver, and support overall wellness. Chicory extract is also used topically to soothe skin irritations and promote wound healing. In addition to its medicinal properties, chicory is a popular ingredient in herbal supplements and tinctures. These products harness the plant's beneficial compounds and are used for various purposes, such as promoting liver health, reducing inflammation, and supporting weight loss. Where to find chicory products and supplements? Chicory products and supplements can be found in health food stores, specialty grocery stores, and online retailers. When purchasing chicory products, be sure to choose those made from high-quality sources and free from additives or artificial ingredients. It is also advisable to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating new supplements into your routine. Conclusion: embracing the remarkable health benefits of chicory. In conclusion, chicory is a remarkable plant with a multitude of health benefits. From its nutritional value to its potential as a natural remedy and herbal treatment, chicory offers a wide range of advantages for overall wellness. Whether enjoyed as a coffee substitute or incorporated into various recipes, chicory provides unique flavors and potential health support. Embrace the hidden potential of chicory and discover the remarkable benefits it can bring to your life. CTA: try incorporating chicory into your daily routine by brewing a cup of chicory coffee or experimenting with chicory recipes. Embrace the health benefits and discover the remarkable potential of chicory for yourself. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.